Hello, my name is Manti, and I'm here to give a brief introduction about our group project, which is Quiz Mania. And my team consists of 5 members that will be Chapneet, Yoshan, Parampreet, and then Kim Long Tran. So, in this brief introduction, I'll be giving mostly about the technical references. So, this technical references offers a comprehensive explanation of how to use the quiz platform, and which is an online test solution created to help students in Australia get ready for their university entrance tests. And our goal is for improving the education via safe, effective, and engaging methods. This video contains an overview of features that have been implemented, imported, and also the architectural details backed by visualizations, and also a step-by-step instruction on how to deploy and execute the solution using the assets and source code that have been given. So developing a strong platform that allows students to take part in topic-based quizzes, track their progress, assess a variety of educational resources, and also get individual feedback is the main objective of Quizzer. So many cutting-edge features are included in the platform, including role-based access control, personalized dashboards, progress tracking metrics, questions, difficult analysis, everything. And from technical standpoint of Quizzer uses a contemporary technology that includes MySQL for database, Python and Django for the backend, and HTML, CSS, as well as JavaScript on the front end. So my rest of my team members will be giving a well detailed explanation about how the front end, back end, and the whole database system works. And also it will include the risk management as well.
Hi guys, this is Parampreet Kaur, and here it is over the front page of the website, and I'm going to explain about the front end, how we have built up using the different terminologies. So that as you can see, this is the home page, and the name of our platform which we have got it is the Quiz Mania.
So I'll follow up. This is the student sign up form in which we can just see their various fields like first name, last name, contact address, username and password. And we have also added a feature to put the profile picture of the student. So I'll just show you how to enter the names. For example, I have created a student form, Japneet Singh, contact number, address and username and password. I will just sign up. So they have already created my account, and now I'll show you what appears when I log in. So this is the page that comes when a student logins into an account. There are two sections that appear in the front. The first one is available forms and the other one is total questions. Now if we click on the dashboard, it is the main thing that will appear in the front. After clicking on examination, he will get 4 options to attempt exams. For the first show a demo test, let's take a test for Python, let's say. In the beginning, it will be given some exam details like course, Python, total question 1, marks and all. When he'll enter the examination, he'll get a question along with some options. If I click on 1 and 2, submit the answer, we can view marks afterwards on clicking the view marks, and it will be shown that he has scored total 5 marks in fun attempt and the exam date.
Hi, my name is Yao Shanzhong, and I'm going to demonstrate the teacher sign up form. So in here, this page is the teacher sign up form. So I already fill out my information as an example. So after we click the sign up, the information we will jump to the teacher login panel. However, we couldn't log in because it required the approval from the admin. Now we will show how it looks like if yeah, after the teacher the new teacher account approved by the admin, so we can go back to the teacher login panel and then yeah, fill out the information, and then after we log in from the dashboard, we can see there are 3 different sections. One is for registered students, and the total courses and also the total questions. However, there's another function for the teacher, so to manage the questions. So in here, after we click manage question, we can do add question and view questions. So to add the question, we can just simply click the course that we would like to add a question. So like let's say I want to add the question to Python, and then I can type the question, which I'm typing for what are the data types in Python, and then we can set the marks at for example, 2 marks for this question, and then we can set 4 options like two, and option 4 would be 4. And after we submit it, and it will show you the available questions, like how many questions for the for each course, and then we can try to view the questions. Yep, that's how we. Yep, as long as we view the Python questions, we can see that the question I just entered is already saved in here. And yep, that's how the teacher panel works.
Everyone, my name is Kim Longchang, and now I'm going to talk about the admin part. So as we see here, it is a admin login panel, and when we click login, so we can see there is 4 sections: registered students, total teachers, total courses, and available questions. So the admin have the power to change the courses and the questions. So in here, when we click in the courses, we can see there are 4 current courses in this page, and we can see each course have a number of questions and the mark for it.
Hi, this is Yao Shanzhong again, and I'm going to talk about the source code of the backend. So the backend of this Quiz Mania app is the server-side component responsible for handling the core functionality and data management. So we have chosen to develop the backend using the Python Django, which provides a robust set of features and tools that can streamline the development process and enhance the platform's scalability and security. Now I'm going to talk about some of the code in here. So we can see that if the student click in at the view and request for the student click in, it has to be, the request will be checked for the authentication. If it's already been authenticated, then the user will be directed to the login page. After login page to the dashboard. If not, it will return to the it will be rendered, so return to the student login page, the student click.html page. And yeah, that's the source code that I would like to make an example. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Kim Longchang, and now I'm going to talk about the database of our team project. So for the database component of our Quiz platform, we have chosen to use the SQLite3, a lightweight and serverless database management system. So in total, we have created 16 tables in our SQLite3 database to store and manage various items of the platform. And these tables include the user information for students, teachers, and administrators, quiz detail, and so on. So the connectivity between the backend developed using the Python Django and the SQLite3 database is established through the Django Object Relational Mapping System. So this ORM acts as a abstraction layer allow us to interact with the database using Python code. One of the key advantages of using the SQLite 3 is, unlike the traditional database server, SQLite 3 does not require a separate server process or complex setup procedures. So overall, the combinations of the SQLite 3 as the database, Python Django as the backend framework, and the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the frontend provide a very strong foundation for our online quiz platform.
Hi, so Param this side. So now I'm going to talk about the integration part, how we have integrated the front end and the back end using the Django's templating system. So here we are rendering the each and HTML files for each function. You can just see it like different request. We are requesting for each and every HTML file, and we are rendering. Import the render function. We have used this thing, and for each and every function we are calling up each and every HTML file. Right, like for this, like return render request students dashboard.html. So we do have a kind of template for that, and we are calling it for the request.
So with this project, there will be some risks that the users will be facing as well, and I will be talking about how to manage it. Some of the risks that we'll be facing is the cybersecurity threats, where the potential data breaches and leaking may occur, where the risk assessment is relatively high, and for mitigation, we can implement robust encryption protocols for data transmission, also employ multifactor authentication for user accounts, and also technical glitches, communication failure, and financial risks will affect this project as well. And to overcome it, we will have to implement a redundant server infrastructure and then failure mechanism. Also, maybe establish a clear communication protocols and channels. Then implement robust financial controls and auditing procedures. And one of the major risks that we'll be facing can be data loss. So accidental deletion or corruption of unauthorized access to the data. So which is relatively a high risks for this kind of a website. So to overcome, mitigate that, we can implement regular data backups with offsite storage, also enforce strict access control and permissions, then train employees on data handling best practices and security protocols. Then when it comes to the user authentication risk, the risk is also really high, because that will be given an will weaken the authentication mechanisms and also affect the password security. So to overcome that, we can implement a strong password policies and encourage regular password updates. Also utilize biometrics authentication where it's feasible, and also monitor login activity and also the suspicious behaviors. So there will be some other risks following by them as well. So there will be the external threats, the intellectual property, the reputation damage, the system integration, and also the legal liability. And there are risk mitigations method that can be followed to prevent these from happening, such as developing a comprehensive business community plan to mitigate the impact of the external threat, also to implement strong password policies to encourage regular password updates, also conduct through a compatibility assessments before integrating with external systems or services.
As every project comes with its challenges, one major challenge we faced was our initial lack of expertise in Python and database management. We tackled this by dedicating time to learning from various online platforms such as YouTube, GitHub, and other resources available, which significantly improved our skills and knowledge as well. Future enhancement plan to further improve the Quiz Mania, that's like one-on-one live support, country-wise, distribution of the teachers, and funding for students to practice their knowledge. And thank you for watching our presentation on the Quiz Mania.